So now that we understand what cognitive complexity is, let's turn to how it relates to a leader's ability to foster resilience. In 2018, a team in Australia led by Daniel Gucciardi developed a model of team resilience and published this in the Journal of Occupational and Organizational Psychology. In developing this model, the team found a couple of things that are pertinent to our discussion. Firstly, they found that the definitions of team resilience and team adaptability are strikingly close, both relating to the protection of groups from the negative effects of stressors and to the ability to positively adapt to adversity. Effectively, team resilience and team adaptability are referring to the same thing. Secondly, they identified that leadership is key to developing group norms, such as adaptability. So far, so good. But what does this have to do with cognitive complexity? Well, if we can demonstrate that a leader's cognitive complexity is a driver for team adaptability, then since adaptability and resilience are effectively the same thing, we can also say that cognitive complexity of leadership is a driver for team resilience. Return then to a study conducted by another team in Peking University, and they studied what they called paradoxical leadership. And they defined paradoxical leadership as consisting of 5 behaviours, the first of which is combining self-centeredness with other-centeredness. The second is maintaining both distance and closeness. Treating subordinates uniformly while allowing individualization. Enforcing work requirements while allowing flexibility. And finally, maintaining decision control while allowing autonomy. Now, the paradoxical nature of these behaviors, the opposites, certainly imply complexity. But let's look at their results. So their research centered on leadership within technical and engineering services companies in China. And based on this research, they found that paradoxical leader behavior correlates positively with holistic thinking, integrative complexity, and behavioral complexity. For clarity, integrative complexity is a key dimension of cognitive complexity, also known as cognitive depth, and we touched on that in our definition. Based on their definition of holistic thinking, we can infer that broadly this equates to, or at least depends upon, that other dimension, the differentiation aspect of cognitive complexity. And it's been well documented that behavioral complexity is an outcome of cognitive complexity. So based on this, we can safely say that paradoxical leader behavior does indeed correlate positively with cognitive complexity, or to put it another way, the degree to which a leader is able to exhibit paradoxical leader behavior correlates with their level of cognitive complexity. They further found that the degree to which a leader exhibits paradoxical leadership behavior positively correlates with their subordinates' proficiency, proactivity, and importantly, adaptability. Now, since we've already equated team adaptability with team resilience, we can reasonably infer that leaders with higher cognitive complexity are better able to foster team resilience than those with lower cognitive complexity.